Imagine a single company with the power to influence global economies, shape corporate behaviors, and impact your daily life, all while remaining largely invisible. This is the story of BlackRock. BlackRock, founded in 1988 by Larry Fink and partners, has grown into the world's largest asset manager, overseeing over $10 trillion in assets as of 2024. Its influence extends across sectors such as technology, healthcare, and even governments, touching nearly every facet of the global economy. BlackRock is a publicly traded company with a diverse ownership structure. Major institutional investors include the Vanguard Group, holding approximately 6.42% of shares, and State Street Corporation with about 3.9%. Over 80% of BlackRock's shares are owned by institutional investors, underscoring its deep integration within the financial industry. During the 2008 financial crisis, BlackRock was hired by the US government to manage bailout funds for failing banks. Critics argue that instead of directly allocating money to struggling institutions, governments gave BlackRock the power to decide how these funds were distributed. Similarly, during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, BlackRock managed trillions in economic recovery funds for the US and Europe. This discretion raised concerns about transparency and accountability. At the core of BlackRock's operations is Aladdin, an AI-driven platform that analyzes portfolios for clients worldwide, influencing decisions that affect trillions of dollars in assets. By processing data from global financial systems, spanning governments to corporations, Aladdin provides insights that critics claim give BlackRock unparalleled foresight. Some might call it insider knowledge. Through substantial equity stakes, BlackRock wields significant influence over major corporations. For instance, as of December 2024, it owns 1.05 billion shares, accounting for 6.95% ownership of Apple, approximately 553.98 million shares of Microsoft Corporation, representing about 7.45% of the company's outstanding shares, and about 630 million shares of Amazon.com, representing about 6.1% ownership of the company. In many cases, BlackRock has a seat at the table, but while not directly controlling these companies, BlackRock's investment decisions and voting power can influence corporate policies and strategies. BlackRock's influence also reaches the public sector. The firm has been contracted by governments, including the US Federal Reserve, to assist in managing financial crises like the 2008 recession and the 2020 pandemic. This close relationship has sparked debates about the firm's role in shaping public policy and economic strategies. Critics highlight BlackRock's lack of regulation despite its immense influence. Unlike banks, it operates with little oversight, raising the question, who, if anyone, keeps BlackRock in check? In 2019, BlackRock and its partners controlled nearly 25% of the world's financial assets. This concentration of wealth gives it unprecedented leverage over markets and governments. Larry Fink, BlackRock's CEO, has been vocal about reshaping corporate priorities. While his calls for sustainable investing are praised by some, skeptics argue that these visions also align with BlackRock's profit motives, steering markets in its favor. Despite its sustainability rhetoric, BlackRock faces criticism for holding significant investments in fossil fuel companies. Environmentalists contend that this financial backing perpetuates carbon emissions, undermining global climate goals. As BlackRock continues to expand, such as its recent acquisition of Global Infrastructure Partners for $12.5 billion, its role in shaping the future of global finance becomes increasingly pivotal. What happens when a private corporation controls not just markets but governments? But the question remains, how will this colossal entity balance profit, influence, and responsibility? BlackRock's ambitions could forever redefine global power dynamics. Stay informed, stay aware. Like and subscribe to uncover more about the forces shaping our world and what they mean for you.